dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Class 5, it's me teacher Hussein. Ramadan Mubarak. Today we're still in chapter 10, which is the last chapter of our course, the entire science course for grade 5. Today we will see how to make seesaw, right? How to make seesaw using just simple materials that are available in our environment, right? So let's see. Okay, seesaw. What's seesaw first? First of all, what's seesaw? Seesaw is a simple tool or machine used by the kids for entertainment. Yes, this is very often seen during the Eid festivals. Yes, during the Eid festivals, and some kids, sometimes their parents take them to some of the parks where with these things the seesaws are available, right? So this is one thing you know. So how can you make a seesaw using simple materials, right? So that's what we are going to see today. Right? So making a seesaw. So the method. So this is the materials you require. You require a Y-shaped tree trunk. That tree can be a big tree or a small tree. So this is the small Y-shaped tree trunk. You know, it looks like Y. So this is Y, right? This is Y. So it looks like Y, capital Y, right? Capital Y. So you cut a small tree or a big tree, and then you make a structure like this out of the plant you've cut. Okay, so the first material you need is what? It's this one, a Y-shaped tree trunk. Okay, next, and you also need what? Banga. This is the banga. Okay, you also need what? Or chembe. So you can either use the banga or you can use what? The chembe. You can use the chembe or the banga, right? You don't need them. You don't need the two at once. You need either of them. Okay. You also need what? Ball. This is what? This is ball, metal ball. This is ball. This is metal ball, right? This is metal ball. Or you can use a small stick, right? A very strong stick. So what do you do procedurally? Then, you know, when you are making it, this is what you do. Step number 1, bury the lower part of the Y-shaped trunk in the soil. Yes, in the soil. You dig a small hole by using the chembe or the banga, and then you put the Y-shaped trunk, the lower part of the Y-shaped plant, in that hole, and then you fix it there. Right? You fix it there. Now you see. This is the Y-shaped tree trunk. Now, the lower part of it is deep down in the ground. This is the ground. This is the level of the ground, as you see. So some of it, you know, quite good part of it is deep down in the soil now. So you fix it there. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Number 2, after fixing the tree trunk in the soil, place the long pole on top of the trunk as shown below. Now, this is the metal part we're talking about. Okay, so you put the metal part on top of the tree trunk, on top of the tree trunk. Now you have made what? You have made a seesaw. Now someone, a small child, can sit on this side and another one on this side, then it will swing, right? It will swing 1 out of 10, 1 out of 10, right? So that is one way of making a simple seesaw, right? A simple seesaw using the materials that are available in our environment, using the materials that are available in our environment. Let's see them again. Okay, what's this seesaw first? It's a simple tool or machine used by the kids for entertainment. There are different ways or methods to make the seesaw, so we'll see one of them today. Okay, so materials required: Y-shaped tree trunk. This is the Y-shaped tree trunk. Okay, you also need banga. You also need jembe. You can, as I've said earlier on, you can use either the jembe or the banga. You know, either one. You don't need to use them at once, right? You can use either. This is also what? The metal par. Okay. So how do we do it? Procedure. Step number 1: parry the lower part of the Y-shaped trunk in the soil. You parry it. You parry it means you dig a small hole and you put the lower part of that Y-shaped tree trunk in the soil. Okay, so this is what the Y-shaped tree trunk, and part of it, good part of it actually is deep down in there. Okay, step number 2: after fixing the tree trunk in the soil, place the long pole on top of the trunk as shown below. So this is the metal part, you put on top of it. Now it's woody, but you can also use a method, right? Okay, now you have made what? A seesaw. You have made a seesaw. So someone can sit on this side, someone can sit on this side, then it can swing. Nice, right? Nice. I hope you understood it.